Hey everyone, I am about to make a cider, so here we go. Today's cider recipe is as follows. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Star scene. Apple juice. Yeast nutrient and pectic enzyme. Mix well. You don't want to hear about this. Just like here. Yeast fish. Today's yeast strain is Belle Saison. Gives it a little bit of character and a little bit of funk. It still ferments relatively clean. One more mix for tonight, please. One trick that I've learned over time with Saison yeast is to open ferment. Open fermenting, I have found you do not get the traditional Saison stall that I've only heard about. I always open ferment my Saisons. Clean. Branch out. And we're done. Cider brew day. What's yours look like?